video. Today's video is going to be a DIY, sort of, kinda, how to do Jessie or cowgirl theme, a goodie bag. So these are the goodie bags, that the candies that the kids take, that not necessarily they eat there, it's just a little favor that they get for coming there. So today we are going to be using candies that I 100% bought at the 99-cent store. Is not sponsored. I wish I was, but it's not. So the items that you're going to be using are, of course, the candy. So this is all the candy that I'll be going to be using there. You're going to need a loot bag. I bought this loot bag at the dollar store. And this comes with these little ties, which is extremely helpful. And going to be using fabric. And this is like bandana kind of pattern fabric. I bought a yard at the Hobby Lobby. And I cut them in... I don't know how much this would be, but I will put the dimensions down below if you really want to know the dimensions for this. I just folded my fabric and cut all the pieces like at once, just like however I folded it to fit in there. This is a small one. My daughter's going to turn 3, so I'm not going to put as many candies here because I do have a candy bar or candy table that they're also going to be eating sugar out of there, so we don't want to give them a lot of sugar. So that's the things that we'll be needing. Oh, as well as this gift ribbon that I'll be tying off the whole entire item with. So, just to go with a rundown, they're gonna get a shrimp lollipop, some the shrimp lollipop, some Oreos, a pulparindo, an airhead, 2 taffies, a gum, this is it's a cucharita rica, it's like tamarind flavor spoon. If you're Mexican, you know. A Duvalin with their little spoon, mazapan, bocadillos or chocolate wafer, and these silly little rings for the little tootsies. I thought they were cute. I also got these at the I think I got these at the 99-cent store, but I believe you can also find them at the dollar store. So this is what is going to be included. I'm going to be grabbing a little baggie from here, along with the little thing right here. Hopefully it fits. So we have our baggie. I'm going to try to put the Oreo pack on the bottom. It has 2 ones there, and then include everything. You can use a bigger one. These bigger ones are 25 only loot bags. I found them at the dollar store as well. You can use a bigger one. Let's try and do one of each to see how it looks better. So now we have our baggie here. This is the one with the long one, and this is a very tiny loot bag that I tied with the with the little things here, which is the little wire stuff. I did keep the little stick of the spoon and the lollipop out. This obviously gives you more room for it because it has this. But for me, the size that I cut my fabric is a little bit challenging. So now you grab your square, your fabric, your piece of fabric, and you put it on the side that is the white side of the fabric. I don't know if you might find fabric that is double-sided and you might have the same pattern in both sides, but this happened to be white. So now we're gonna go and put our candy bag in one side, like one corner over here, and we're gonna try and like wrap the baggie with the fabric. Luna, mommy. So now that we have here our fabric, we're gonna try and put it in a corner, kind of more in a corner, not in the middle, but in a corner like this. Let me zoom you out a little bit. Kind of in a corner of the rectangle, and cover half of it just like so. Hopefully you guys can see. And then try to bring this side up, try to fold it bring it up. Try to tuck it in and bring it up. Now we have kind of like a rectangle sort of thing. And then we wrap it kind of like the ends meet in the middle, and then we have this corner. And we just continue to bundle up, and we have this sort of like square right on the top, just like that. That could be one, or you can put it almost to the end and just pull the corners to the very top and bundle it up just like that. Just like that, we have the whole thing. Now we're gonna grab a piece of our gift ribbon, and I'm going to be using the yellow one because our theme is Jessie theme, and she has red hair with like a yellow bow tie or little yellow string right at the end of her braid. So we're gonna go ahead and grab a little piece of these, grab it around. I'm gonna make it as tight as possible, just like that. Make a little ribbon, a little bow, not a little ribbon. I make it easy for the kids to unwrap it, so it's not that hard. And there it is. That is with the small baggie. Now we're gonna go ahead and try with the bigger baggie, which has this end part of it. There you have it. You can leave it like this. On the other side is very minimal. Since you have your candies in a baggie, they're not gonna come out. They're pretty safe. I don't recommend for you to put the baggie, the candy, just in the fabric. If you actually bought a actual bandana, the actual bandana is super big. It's like a 12 by 12 or even bigger, so you actually could put the candy in there and actually wrap it. But if you actually bought a piece of fabric like I did, put it in a little plastic bag is doable. If you want, if you really want, you can actually like cut the axis I forgot out, and then it's totally hidden by the other side. You see? Here's one option that looks more like bundled up because the baggie was a little bit, it's a lot smaller. But yeah. And there is the final result. I am in my couch because my table is really busy, but that's how they look. They're so pretty. Look at that little it's like if the cowboys had their lunch in their little bandana or their little thing over here. So I have displayed them in this thin thing here that I have bought at Walmart, and over here I kind of made this for the bigger kids, and because I only had one left and still had 4 goodie bags, I ended up using this paper lunch bags, and kind of also use the last piece of fabric and kind of make little bows. So that's another idea you could do if you want to go simple but still have this pattern. But yeah, that is all for today's video. Hopefully you guys like this DIY and this idea for the Jessie theme, cowgirl theme, goodie bags. And like always, thank you guys for subscribing and giving a like to this video. Subscribe if you haven't done so, and if you already did, thank you very much, and I will see you next time. Goodbye.